Okay guys, so I'm back to my old favorite games, JB. Or Mango now. I own half a lot of the dinosaurs, except I don't own this, and the bunny. Then, but I do own this. Then, own mo dito? And the D-Rex and the Yeti truck. And then, own mo dito yun, Yes. I do own a lot of dinosaurs just because I grinded. I first also guys, mana pa kamakmat. Okay guys, so this the Ankylosaurus with this skin. I killed a lot of dinosaurs, especially in dogs because they kept annoying me. If there's a lightning, you can see it's not. I see already somewhere. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use the toilet paper trick guys. It's one of my most OG dinosaurs. I'm getting bit. Then there's Dino Monkey. Okay. Also guys, me and my friend love things in the family. Let's take a break. Me and my friend had maxed out in the stats. Welcome back. Bulok-bulok mo na binigyan mo. Hindi, nag-dive na po. Because my people just left the game because they got too bad. They can restart the progress. And this is that's right. This is a big fun game. Guys, it's really Bagyong Bati. It's literally raining in the game and raining it all out. Also guys, nagbalis na cat monkey. Well, this is the end of my video, so see you next time guys.